Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you. Going down to the middle now, the captains are there for the toss.
I suppose that decision brings about with it an element of surprise. Not at all what I'd expect.
Yep.
That throw's gone to the wrong end. Lucky escape for the batsman.
Huge shout. Nice and tidy in that. Huge appeal.
Precision, just a great shot. Oh, nice shot.
A bit too much there.
Yep.
Nice shot, that one.
Yep. Get it!
That was a good delivery, but it was treated with contempt. Reflex catching there. It's always tough with the ball coming at you so fast. There's going to need to be a lot of really good bowling to defend this total. Just not enough runs on the board.
Yep. Get!
Shot. Didn't quite make it to the rope. One bounce and four.
Yep. Bowler!
Very nice throw back there. Good fielding.
Yep.
Oh, nice shot.
That's right from the middle of the bat.
Yep. That's it!
Nice shot.
Yep.
Timed that absolutely perfectly. Well played. That's a cheap wicket.
That's what the crowd have come to see. Nicely played.
Yeah. That's it!